Hello and welcome to ET Garage. I haven't had much going on lately. I'm waiting for the weather to cool down and the humidity to go away. So I'll fill you in on what upcoming videos I have coming, hopefully in the near future. One of them will be about this connector right here and what does it have to do with your timing. In another upcoming video, I'll be going over my transparent target top. I have two of them, a solid one with eBay vinyl wrap on it, and this transparent one that originally came with the car. Even though it looks fine, I'm going to recoat it. I'm going to use a product I never used before, and hopefully that'll be here soon. You know, the other thing I got going on right now is I'm reworking my pellet stove and making some modifications. I'm not going to do a video on that. It's just about done, and no one seems to be interested in that sort of thing. Everyone just seems to be interested in the Corvette. So in the near future, I'll have those videos on that wire I showed you. That has to do with your timing. And a video on that target top. And we'll see how that comes out. So just hold tight. Don't worry. I'll have some more videos coming. Once again, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. Remember to like, share, comment below, all that good stuff. Helps the channel grow and all that good stuff. So in the meantime, everybody have a great day and God bless.